today is day 4, but unfortunately, I won't be on the road. Today, I have to do a quick return journey to Accra, the capital city, and so I'm not going to get time to be able to work. It's already done, and we're about setting off. So, yes, unfortunately, today, no working. But tomorrow, sharp, I'm hitting the road in the morning. So, I'll keep you updated on what I'm going to eat today, how my day is going to go as well. Ciao. So yes, today I don't feel too good. Yeah, I know. I was supposed to have actually waking up early this morning to go and jog, to go and walk. Sorry, but then I overly slept, so I woke up way later in the day. And yes, African Sundays are for church and those ones. So yes, today I've not really done much of work, working or any exercise much. And then I did a lot of cooking. Yes, I cooked for the week and then I prepped my meals for the week, what I'm going to eat within this week. Then I did some few snacks in there just in case, therefore perhaps. Yeah, so that's what pretty much I did today. Today was more indoor, less activity, and yeah, I'm not so proud of it, but sometimes it happens. So don't be too worried if you slack off on the journey small. It's okay. What matters is you get back to the road. And so tomorrow morning, even though I have a 6:30 class, I'm going to make sure that my alarm is up and working. So by 5, I can hit the road and come back at 6 and then wash down and just go to class and then start my day. And obviously, the whole of the week, I'd have to be very active on it. I was actually hoping to do a stroll this evening, but then safety first. Yes, where I am is a little bit quiet, and so I didn't want to risk it. But then it was on my mind to just do a little stroll, walk a little bit, and then that thing. I don't want someone to just slap me and then just take my phone away and beat me along the way too. So yes, today I've not really been so physically active, and sometimes it just happens. But what matters is you just hit the road back. So tomorrow we are going fast forward. And today, yes, I took a bit of rice today. Yes, I took jollof rice with some chicken and plantain. A bit of it. Unfortunately, escaped me to take a picture of it. Yes, and today I took some jollof rice, and I also fried some kose for the week. That's in the fridge. I also cooked some plantain and some contemporary stew, which I'll be eating within the week as well. And I've got some apaprensa too. Yes, yesterday's apaprensa, I had a bit of it still left, so I've just portioned it out as well. So today was mostly cooking and then prepping for the week ahead. So I just prepped them into the bowls. Go sit somewhere here. I've got some apaprensa here. I've got contemporary. Yeah, so when I just take, I just go my way, just bam, bam, bam. So yeah,
And I still have my fruit basket here as well. Yeah.
it. And yes, that's basically how my day has heavily been. So yes, some days it just happens. Don't be too hard on yourself. Yes. But I think the good thing is now my conscience is going to work more on the workout thing. Because honestly today I woke up after my work hours like was way past. I was so bored with myself. I was so pissed with myself. And I was just thinking, what can I do about it? But unfortunately, I didn't want to really skip inside the room. And I really wanted to do my work, so I was just hoping to do it this evening. But yeah, some days it happens. But I'm thankful that now, when I'm not like being physically active, my conscience kind of hits me a bit. That's a good start to go. So tomorrow, I'm going to work on it and then keep up. Yes, for this, I really want to do, and I want to do it for myself and to motivate the rest. I don't just stop along the way. Then someone will be like, she couldn't finish it up. She couldn't take up this challenge. No, we are taking it on hands on. So that's niche look, and you can also do it. And on your journey, if these happen, it's normal. Some days they happen. So chill out. I'll see ya. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And don't forget to continue supporting us with all your views, your watchers, and subscription to Lots of Love. Mwah.